you cannot get there unless you have the right partner, and that's the agency. And choosing the right agency is a super important decision. You need to be asking them, who's your number one producer? What are they doing right now? Can you even, hey, I want to be $1 million producer in 5 years. Can that agency even sustain that? Do they even have anybody who's even remotely close to that? And can you even get to that level based on their model? Because if their model is, yeah, you get a percentage of what you bring in, but you also have to manage those clients and do all the service work, well, there's going to be a ceiling. There's going to be a ceiling where eventually you're going to get to a point where you can't produce anymore because you're bogged down with all the accounts you're managing, and you've hit a ceiling. So what does it look like? What does the service look like? As you get more clients, are those taken away from you? Can you keep those? Can somebody else manage them? Can you build a team underneath you, a team of producers? What does that look like? What's the model?